Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Santi Primaloft Comfort Sock. So these are a dry suit undersuit sock. They're made with Primaloft Silver internal lining, so that means that they're incredibly warm, but they're very low bulk as well. So you don't want too much bulk around your feet because typically you want your dry suit boot fairly snug so you're not moving around in it. The Primaloft, very warm and very flexible as well. So you have full range of motion, makes the sock very easy to get in and out of. You've got a little tab at the back just to help you sort of get it on over the heel. On the underside, all over the sole, you have reinforced material. So this is sort of abrasion resistant. If you're walking around, which typically you are, especially just before you get your dry suit on, it's going to prevent that kind of wear and tear. Over the sort of front section of your foot, this is one big section. There's no stitching. The stitching sort of runs up the sides, then around there. So that's going to match sort of where your dry suit boot sort of doesn't rub, and where your fin usually sort of anchors on top of that. On the inside, you have a nice sort of fluffy lining that's going to wick moisture away from you very, very quickly, so your feet are going to stay nice and dry and comfortable whilst you're diving in your dry suit. So this is the Santi Primaloft Comfort Sock. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.